Motorola launched its new G series phone in some selected global market as Moto G Max with 5G support. Now, let's have a look at the specifications of this smartphone. The Moto G Max 5G features a tall 6.8-inch 1.5K resolution Extreme AMOLED display with up to 120 Hz refresh rate and up to 5,000 nits of peak brightness support, and the screen on the top is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 7i. Under the hood, the phone comes powered by MediaTek Dimensity 6400 chipset coupled with Mali G57MC2 GPU. As per the storage, the smartphone packs with 8GB of LPDDR4X RAM that can be extended up to 16GB by using internal storage, and it has 256GB of UFS 2.2 storage with microSD expansion support. In the camera department, the Moto G Max 5G sports a 200-megapixel primary rear camera with f1.8 aperture, and it supports optical image stabilization for stable video recording, and there is 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens with 120-degree field of view. For selfies, it has 32-megapixel camera under the hole punch at the top center with f2.2 aperture, and both the front and rear cameras of the phone is capable of shooting 2K videos at 30 frames per second. The device comes backed by a large 5,200 mAh battery with 33 watts turbo power charging support, and it runs on Android 16 out of the box. Additionally, the smartphone features an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP69 certified for dust and water resistance, and it is also military standard 810H compliant for shock resistance. The connectivity option on the phone includes 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.4, GPS, NFC, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 164.58 by 77.37 by 7.38 millimeters, and it weighs around 183 grams. So now, let's explore the pricing details of this smartphone. The Moto G Max 5G has been priced in Brazil at 2,519.10 Brazilian reals, and it is now available for purchase in the country in graphite and light blue color options. So, what do you guys think of this Moto G Max 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.